If you want to factory reset or hard reset your POCO F7, we have two main methods that allow you to do so. The first method is to go to settings, choose about phone, and then over here scroll down in order to go to factory reset. Then we have the summary of everything that will be removed from the phone, which is pretty much everything. So remember to make a backup in order to not lose anything important. Once you are ready, you want to press erase all data and then follow the rest of the instructions that you will see on the screen. Now, besides that, we can also perform a factory reset by going to recovery mode. In order to go to the recovery mode, first of all, we need to turn off our device. So we're going to press power button and volume up in order to open the power menu. And we need to swipe up like this in order to power off our device, of course. Wait a couple of seconds to let the phone completely shut down. Once that happens, you want to press and hold the power button and volume up button. And once you see the POCO logo, you just want to hold the volume up. You want to release the power button. So we're going to press and hold both buttons first. And once we see the POCO logo, then we can release the power button and just hold volume up. And keep holding the volume up button until you see the recovery mode. There we go. Now over here, we navigate by using volume up button, so use volume up and down in order to choose a different position in the menu. We want to choose swipe data, of course, and confirm our choice by pressing the power button. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.